there's a story that I tell about Heidi. I enjoy the game of golf, and the church, Belmont Church, where I met Tim Maddox years ago.
50, how many 50 years ago?
Yeah.
Lots of 50 years ago.
Back when I had hair.
Lots of hair.
They were going to have a little scramble, and I was decided to get my clubs out and go up in the front yard and see if that wonderful swing was still not there. And I took out a 5-iron and I was out there swinging it. And Heidi was, I think were you 8 years old?
8 or 10.
Yeah, and she came out and you said, let me try that.
Yeah, let me take a swing.
Yeah, so I handed her my 5-iron and she stepped back and took a swing. I thought, the word that came to my mind when I saw her swing was scholarships, you know. So I said, turn around there, let me show you what I've learned about the swing. And I put my hand on her curly head and said, just kind of look down at the ball. And I said, see that white clover right there? Just see if you can swing your club back and forth over that. And she heard the word swing. And she took a full swing. And that heavy 5-iron adult man club was a little heavy for her, and it whipped in her hands and caught me right there. If you look close, there's a scar. And I
did that.
Yeah, I went reeling off into the yard, and I could feel the knot coming up under my fingers, and I'm standing, and Heidi's just in horror, just looking at me, and I took my hand off, and blood went, phew. And she took off running into the house, leaving me out there to die. Well, what I didn't understand was she was going to get Annie. But, so I went to the hospital and I got a total of 8 stitches. 4 in and 4 out, something like that. So I got...
You want to compare scars? You want to compare scars?
Yeah.
Another golf injury over there? Is that right?
That's a story you'll want to hear after. See the guy in the back with the green shirt on? He's responsible for that one.
It's not supposed to be a contact sport, you guys.
Well, it scarred me emotionally. I don't even putt now.
Yeah, so
Stay away from it all.
my mom was visiting. She took me to the hospital, and on the way back, I said, I'm stopping at a store, at a pharmacy, because they sell cards. So I bought this card. No, you bought the card. Mom took you to the store. Is that how it happened?
Yeah.
You took me to the hospital. I was so adamant, I didn't know what I was doing.
Then I found a card that had a little frog
That's right.
and on a lily pad, and inside it said, I feel like pond scum.
Oh.
And I really did.
And what did you draw on the frog?
She drew the little wound on the frog.
So when I got home, she was a little reserved, and I pulled her up on my lap, and I said, look, 2 things. I can tell people I spent time with my kids, and I'll have scars to prove it. And there's someone else who loves you very much and has scars to prove it. So I just turned it into a teaching moment. Yeah. Speaking of scars.
On the faces of the soldiers who have fought for our freedoms, on the arms of the brave ones who have saved us from the fires, on the knees of the mothers who have prayed for wayward children, you will find them. You will find them. Scars of love on the skin, on the shoulders of the farmer.